This naturally occurring mineral, renowned for its remarkable properties, has woven its way through human history like few other substances. Its fibrous nature allows it to be spun into fabrics, and its resistance to heat, electricity, and chemical corrosion made it indispensable for both industrial and domestic applications. But behind its utility lies a dark legacy of health hazards that continues to impact lives around the world. Archaeological evidence shows that asbestos fibers were mixed into pottery to enhance durability, showcasing an early understanding of its benefits. The ancient Egyptians, known for their elaborate burial practices, may have used asbestos cloth in mummification. This ensured better preservation of the deceased, highlighting asbestos's protective properties. In ancient Persia, asbestos napkins symbolized wealth and innovation. These napkins could be cleaned by tossing them into the fire, where the dirt would burn off, leaving the cloth unscathed. The Romans leveraged asbestos for candle wicks. Soaked in oil, these wicks provided consistent light without burning away, extending the candle's lifespan. Yet, Roman observers like Pliny the Younger noted that slaves working with asbestos often fell ill, hinting at the hidden dangers of this wonder material. The Industrial Revolution catapulted asbestos into the spotlight. Its insulating and fire-resistant properties made it a staple in countless industries. By the late 19th century, asbestos was woven into the fabric of industrial progress, used in everything from pipe insulation and brake pads to construction materials. Its ability to prevent the spread of fire made it invaluable in manufacturing and building. By the early 20th century, asbestos became ubiquitous in industrial life. It appeared in household items like oven mitts and ironing board covers, while also being integral to shipbuilding, automotive manufacturing, and construction. The global demand for asbestos surged, leading to expansive mining operations in countries like Canada, Russia, and Zimbabwe. Factories around the world transformed raw asbestos into countless products, cementing its role in industrial growth. By the early 20th century, a troubling pattern emerged. Workers in the asbestos industry frequently suffered from respiratory issues. These early warning signs led to the first recorded cases of illnesses directly linked to asbestos exposure. The 1920s marked a turning point as medical journals began documenting the adverse health effects, igniting a growing awareness among the scientific community. The inhalation of asbestos fibers was found to cause asbestosis, a condition marked by chronic lung inflammation and scarring. This led to severe lung damage, breathing difficulties, and ultimately death. Perhaps the most feared consequence of asbestos exposure is mesothelioma, a rare and aggressive cancer affecting the lining of the lungs, abdomen, or heart. Often detected in advanced stages, mesothelioma offers limited treatment options and grim survival prospects. Despite mounting evidence of its dangers, asbestos use continued unabated for decades. The material's industrial benefits and profitability created a powerful incentive for companies to downplay the risks. Many industries actively engaged in cover-ups to protect their financial interests, while governments hesitated to phase out asbestos, citing economic reasons and its unique properties. This resistance to regulation left countless workers and communities vulnerable to its hazards. While some countries have banned asbestos entirely, others like Russia, China, and Brazil continue to mine, export, and use it, disregarding the well-documented health risks. In contrast, nations such as the UK, Australia, Japan, and Germany have implemented full bans. The UK, for example, began phasing out asbestos in the 1980s, culminating in a total ban by 1999. Australia followed suit with a ban in 2003 after decades of extensive use. Despite bans, asbestos remains a lingering danger due to its presence in millions of existing structures. Asbestos-containing materials, if left undisturbed, are relatively safe. However, renovations, demolitions, or accidental damage can release dangerous fibers into the air, posing severe health risks to unsuspecting occupants. Safe asbestos removal is a highly specialized process. It requires rigorous training, protective equipment, and strict adherence to safety protocols. The process is not only complex, but also costly, involving careful monitoring to prevent the release of hazardous fibers. Identifying asbestos in older structures adds another layer of difficulty, as many people may be unaware of its presence until it's too late. Asbestos exposure is responsible for an estimated 250,000 premature deaths annually worldwide. In countries with extensive asbestos use, the toll on health systems is immense, with high healthcare costs and lost productivity from asbestos-related illnesses. The long latency period of these diseases means that the impact of asbestos exposure continues to unfold decades after the initial contact, prolonging the burden on public health systems. Asbestos, once celebrated for its durability and versatility, now stands as a cautionary tale of industrial overreach and its dire human costs. Despite regulatory measures and bans, the historical use of asbestos ensures that its dangers will persist for generations. Managing and safely removing existing asbestos is crucial to minimizing future health risks, ensuring that this hidden danger does not continue to claim lives. Thanks for tuning in to Forgotten Innovations. If you found this deep dive into the history of asbestos intriguing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations into forgotten technologies. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. See you in the next video.